They're not soft.
No, wait, you will let me just...
Give them to me, Jen. No, but they're still fresh. No, I want the kids to eat them because they're nice. They're corn chips. You can have one if you want.
Want this one, Eva?
Oh, she scrambled them.
Oh, Eva, stop moaning.
But why some scrambled them?
Oh, Jenny, can you put that in your handbag down?
Well, the birds haven't got very big mouths, Eva. Have they?
Oh, you're the light mistress.
Yeah, I've got more if she wants.
You can have more.
Granny's got more if you want them. I think that's enough. What I do now, we need to sweep up now.
Not going to bake the rice?
No, Jenny, do give me the grated cheese. I'll give them a little.
Yeah,
Wow, demon.
Mix it all up now.
No, hold on, Jenny. I have to share it.
Huge amount, yeah.
Eva, do you want your hands out to give them? Put your fist down on your lap.
Eva, there's a bag kiss here for you.
So you need to feed these. You need to give the birdies that. Ellis, what your hands?
Mix it in, Eva.
Ellis, hands.
I think they're going to have a lovely.
I haven't decided. I was thinking of spaghetti bolognese, but I might.
Yeah, I know. I've got fresh apples and everything. Oh yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Right, are the birds ready?
No, we have to sweep up now.
All right.
Eva, you know the routine. What do we do now?
Sweep up.
We sweep up. And then also we...
What's Grandad doing?
Eva. Ellis.
I tell you what, Grandad can go
Yummy.
Eva, do your funny face.
Go down,
Where, down to the garden? Yeah.
Has Ellis got... She'll need to get...
Well, she's sweep afterwards, can't they? Go down now?
You don't understand. Because you don't understand. When you sweep up, the birds get all those bits.
All right, okay, well, they can get them afterwards. Otherwise it'll go...
Who the heck was all that?
It'll go for ages.
I'll tell you something.
Do you understand what Dad did there? Do you like that?
Let's Dawson.
Don't bring the toilet.
You know, let's Dawson.
Look at Mum.
Terry, do your boobs up to your let's Dawson. Could you girls stand up? Stand up.
So, Eva, Ellis's boots.
Ellis, could you empty that carton, please?
Right, I'll take over so you're going down, Dad.
No, not me.
Dad,
Yes, you are. Ellis, would you please stand up?
I'm not going down, please.
Dad, abandon that for them.
Right, we're going to go down the garden now.
Go and get your...
Dad, do that thing again. Go, Dad, just do it.
Let's stop.
Do it. Do it again. Ellis, do you want to say something to camera? Okay, you say something to camera? You just move your mouth. Go.
What are you doing?
Wait, now you need to, I need to sweep up.
Right, go down garden. Welly's on something. Just shove them on Ellis.
Oh,
Do you like your tail, Ellis? Come on.
Jenny, could you take that down without spilling?
All over the place, Jenny.
Ellis, here, Ellis.
No, you have to do that.
Here's the food. No, I'm filming.
I'll do it. I'll do that also. I'll do it.
You've got to see it. You've got to see it from the.
Show you how you do it. Go on. Ellis, Eva, come on.
Do it from the window so we can watch it. Round about here, Ellis.
Oh, she spreads it all round here.
Right, go.
Off you go, you two. Put some more, you need some high.
Over this way, Eva.
That's enough. Now what you spread it all around here. Ellis, you spread it all around.
This way, Ellis.
I'll spread it.
Ellis, Jenny, you're not a very camera.
Just lift it up now, Ellis, and kind of pour it.
God, take it on.
Oh, Dad. I don't want any anymore.
Yeah.
No!
A little bit here.
Then we have to sit up on the windowsill.
Are the birdies in the trees?
That's it. All right, you have to come up now.
Check it all. Come out the window now.
I want to see some birds.